The Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Friday, April 1st. No fooling. The weather will be active again today, but the main risk of severe weather over the southern part of the state. And the weather over the weekend will be dry. Let's check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Early this morning, still got troughing west of the state. We have a southwest flow aloft, which means the weather will stay unsettled today. That was the radar early this morning at 5:07. The most active storms in a broad zone from Mobile to Atlanta. No severe weather warnings as the day begins, but that could change later, mainly for the southern counties. Still pretty mild. You can pick out that front. It's over northwest Alabama, 50s behind the front, with 60s and 70s down to the south. Birmingham at 66. We'll expect a high today in the 70s around here. But up in the northwestern corner of the state, around the shoals, it will be cooler. And around the region, St. Louis 51, Tulsa 43. And we'll see noticeably cooler air over the weekend. In fact, we'll see many spots dropping into the upper 30s and maybe mid-30s by Sunday morning. And around the nation, pretty cold air dropping in behind the storm system down through the Rockies, Denver, and the teens early this morning. We've still got flash flood watches for a pretty good chunk of the state, south of the Tennessee Valley, and a pretty good part of Georgia as well, and the Florida Panhandle. This is the severe weather outlook today. We've got a risk from the Gulf Coast up to the middle Atlantic coast. In our state, the standard slight risk is south of a line from near Jackson to Prattville to Lafayette. And again, down in that zone today, we could see severe storms. The main threat today will be from hail and strong straight-line winds. The tornado chance is fairly small there. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk over parts of North Florida, including Jacksonville, Orlando, and Daytona Beach. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Heavier totals way down south near the Gulf Coast. Looks like the bullseye's around Dothan with 3.2 inches. But the weekend will be mostly dry. The next chance of rain toward the middle of next week. All right, model fans, the GFS. This is the 06C run at 1 o'clock today. Again, troughing west of the state. Rain on the GFS, mainly over the southern counties. Let's check the high-resolution HER at 1 o'clock at the same time, and it's in pretty good agreement. It's got rain south of a line from Demopolis to Clanton to Wedowee and Woodland. So Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston could be dry. However, again, keep in mind, we got a southwest flow aloft here, and that rain mass moves up into Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Anniston this evening. This is 6 o'clock. So while we kind of start the day dry in this part of the state, we go wet one more time tonight. And then tomorrow, we get into a good, cool, dry air mass. The sky becomes sunny. The high will be in the middle 60s. And the same thing Sunday. Sunny, and the high should be in the mid-60s. In fact, the NAM, the GFS, both days showing 65. Sunday morning, Birmingham 39, mid-30s up in the Tennessee Valley. And again, the colder pockets could see a little frost, so growers beware. Let's go to Monday. We stay dry. The sky will be sunny. We'll reach the low 70s. Tuesday, a little cooler air mass drops in here. We might drop into the upper 60s just by a few degrees. Wednesday, got a deep surface low north of Duluth, Minnesota with a trailing front. And Wednesday night, just after midnight, that front becomes active with showers. And I guess there could be some thunderstorms along with this. I'd say at the moment, I'm not so sure we have enough time to get deeper moisture back for a severe weather threat. And then by Thursday at midday, the rain's beginning to push out. So it looks like late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, we'll see a batch of showers and storms with a cold front coming in here pretty quick. And this is Friday, week from today, troughing rotating onto the east, and a pretty cool air mass dropping in here with a 1027 millibar high at Houston. Look at the lows off the GFS for Friday morning, April 8th, a week from today. We're down there around freezing. And this, again, is a reminder why we always say don't plant until when? Yeah, April 15th. This is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, April 10th, another trough west of the state. storm system beginning to form, and maybe in a day or so that might bring some showers and storms in here. It is the active time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video. The small anomalies. Sorry about that. This is April 8th through April 14th. Below average for much of the east, a little above average for the west. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.